This is the ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro X, a laptop created to be the go-to daily driver of content creators. Designed for those who want to create more, the ProArt StudioBook Pro X is built with both style and performance in mind. This laptop features a sleek, textured surface with a star gray finish. It's accented by the ASUS logo in luxurious chrome. The ProArt StudioBook packs all of its impressive specs and features in a reasonably slim body that weighs 2.45 kilograms. This laptop offers various connectivity options through the various ports available on both sides of the laptop. Keeping this device powered for long hours is its 95 watt-hour lithium polymer battery. The 280 watt power adapter guarantees fast and easy charging. The ProArt StudioBook Pro X boasts an LED backlit display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution and a nearly uninterrupted 92% screen-to-body ratio. The built-in anti-glare panel also promises comfortable viewing experience under various lighting conditions. In addition to the main screen, the ProArt StudioBook Pro X features a secondary display called the Screen Pad. This provides easier access to apps and programs and lets you keep a more organized workspace. Under the hood, the ProArt StudioBook Pro X is powered by an NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card that promises improved render quality and video performance. It runs on Windows 10 Pro with an Intel Xeon processor. For audio performance, the laptop features a Harman Kardon sound system. The ASUS ProArt StudioBook Pro X has a 299,995 peso price tag.